writing down everything I eat on this diet so that when I gain it back, then I'll know exactly what I did to lose it. Like, people already know that they'll gain it back, and they're keeping their diet folder. They're a pro at diet. Does that make sense? So change your normal. Change what is your normal when you go back to eating normal stuff. What is normal? When you change your normal, going back to normal will make you be even fitter. My husband decided to cut bread. I was telling you about that. So he asked me, you have to find something that will fill me up. Because every morning we eat still-cut oat or we eat cereals. So he has a bowl of oatmeal and a toast. How can I feel full? Because I don't feel full with just the bowl of oatmeal. So can you find something for me? And then people go and they go around and they try to find alternative and a different kind of bread. And I said, honey, how about you change the belief that you need to feel full? You don't need to feel full after a meal. You just need to eat, because as soon as you started your first bite, you are not hungry anymore. As soon as you had your first bite, you're not hungry anymore. You've had some food. You want to get a sufficient amount so that it will last you until your next meal. And guess what? We have snacking now too. So you only have to last until 10, until you ate that apple, right? Our ancestors that had to run in the wild after their prey in order to get some food needed this stomach that we were created in to feel so much more food, because it might take 3 days before I kill another one and I can bring food back, or I might not find any more food. So I need to have physically this room in myself that can expand in order to fit some more food, because we're supposed to last for 3 days with it, maybe. However, in our society, nobody needs to go kill a lion to get food, do we? My husband is retired too. He's just retired, and I said, come on, like, you can just have an apple at 10 a.m., that's fine. You can just have some veggie sticks if you're hungry. So change that limiting belief.